Hi guys, today is International Women's Day. I have been invited to come along and I'm going with one of my friends. Let's go and have some fun. We're going to eat some good food and mingle with other people. Come with me to International Women's Day, guys. I'm really excited and looking forward to it. Normally the one late, but then today my friend has won the battle. It's meant to bring something for International Women's Day. Of course, I didn't bring anything. Very busy, so I'm just going to grab some plantain crisps and some drinks and take it along with me. I might go for... what drink should I go for? And then we grab some plantain crisps. One of these. And one of that. Happy International Women's Day. How are you?
Very nice. I'm enjoying soup, and I haven't tried the rest, but I'm sure the rest is very nice. But the most important thing, I'm enjoying company.
Oh, that's very good.
Yeah.
What soup did you have?
Soup, leek and potato made by Debbie.
That's
lovely
very
English lady.
I got here late, but I'm sure there'll be some left for me.
Yes, try.
And what
Try.
country are you from?
I'm from Ukraine.
lovely lady. What do you think about International Women's Day?
It was a success, Rose, and I am really, really happy that you could come. Thank you for coming. Next year, bring more friends.
I will. I'll bring my whole group, 100 of them.
Did you like the food? We had a lot of international food. Let's bring it.
There was this quiche that I tried. Yeah, I don't know who made it. It was really, really nice.
Tuna?
I don't know who made it. Yeah.
Don't remember.
I don't remember, but it was really good.
Yes?
Yeah. Next time I'll come a bit early so I can eat more food. Okay?
And dance more.
And dance more.
Well, thank you. Bye.
Bye. International Women's Day is finished. It was very, very lovely. What do you think about the International Women's Day, Chima?
It was very nice. Lots of dancing and meeting
New people
from different backgrounds.
And you ended up with a whole bag of what? Goodies.
Yeah, a whole bag of nice things.
Nice things.
Yeah.
We went empty. We came back with the whole of the things in that International Women's Day. Thank you for spending your day with me today. It's been great. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.